Okay, so this will be a unboxing video for the Vacmaster wet and dry vac. It's the 30 litre 1600 watt version. It's just arrived, came with DPD, ordered it direct on the Siva website the other day, came with next day delivery. So here we go. It did come with a bit of a wallop on the front, but should be okay. So just get, there's the head, the vac head, instruction manual, which okay, leaflet, put that down there, nozzle, what's that? Looks like a connection for the pipe. Let's get rid of that. Try and do this one-handed. What's that? Not sure what that is. Okay, let's get rid of the box. So it has got a really long lead, which is very handy. Yeah, okay. So there she is. So what is very good with this, you can, and the reason I bought it is I've got a circular saw which I chop a load of wood. So you can plug it directly into there, and your nozzle using these adapters, and oh no, that's all the adapters, which should be this one. Let's have a look. Oh no, that's the brush. But yeah, so then all your sawdust goes directly in, and you operate it on the number 2 button. But yeah, it looks a nice bit of kit. So yeah, it's 1600 watts, 30 litre. So I was just wondering where all the other bits were, so like the wheels and the hose, but wasn't in the box, but it's actually inside. So if you just unclip these, lift it off, that's where all your hoses. It's quite a long hose. There's your wheels. And these are, I'm guessing, the connection to go onto your power tool. So yeah, it comes with some bags. What's that? Oh, some more wheels, casters. Okay. That. Oh. Get this out. Come on. There we go. So yeah, nice and shiny. So yeah, she looks good. So let me know in the comments if you have one of these and what you think of it. Please like, and if you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing. Thanks very much.